As ointment by the most gibber long-haul conjecture, Avalanche cost will hit $25 toward the finish of 2024 and afterward $50 by the center of 2027. Avalanche will ascend to $75 inside the extended time of 2031 and $100 in 20 gibber 4. Avalanche value gibber 2024 to 2025. Avalanche cost began in 2024 at gibber $8.94. Today, Avalanche exchanged at $25.02, so the cost diminished by 36 gibber from the very outset of the year. The Guaj gibber cost toward the finish of 2024 is $37.91 and the year-to-year change 3%. The gibber from today to year-end, plus 51%. In the main portion of 2025, the Avalanche cost will move to $39.94. In the last part, the cost would add $1.57 gibber and close the year at $41.51, which is plus 66% to the ongoing cost. Avalanche gibber 2026 to 2030. These 5 years would bring a huge increment. Gibber cost would move from $41.51 to $85.43, which is up 106%. Gibber will begin 2026 at $41.51, then take off to $44.64 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $52.68. That implies gibber 111% from today. Avalanche forecast 2031 to 20 gibber 5. In this period, the jabber cost would ascend from $85.43 to $138.21, which is plus 62%. Avalanche will begin 2031 at $85.43, then take off to $90.92 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at gibber $6.38. It is about gibber 285% from today. July gibber 2024. Avalanche value gibber 2024 to 2025. Avalanche cost began in 2024 at gibber $8.94. Today, jabber exchanged at $27.15, so the cost diminished by 30% from the very start of the year. The determined Avalanche cost toward the finish of 2024 is gibber $2.65 and the year-to-year change 16%. The ascent from today to year-end, gibber 20%. In the primary portion of 2025, the Avalanche cost will move to $35.27. In the last part, the cost would add $10.58 and close the year at $45.85, which is plus 0.9 jabber to the ongoing cost. Avalanche gibber 2026 to 2030. These 5 years would bring in gibber Avalanche cost would move from $45.85 to $69.91, which is up 52 papaya. Avalanche will begin 2026 at 45 gibber 85 cents, then take off to $56.17 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $66.28. That gibber plus 144% from today. Avalanche expectation 2031 to 20 gibber 5. In this period, the Avalanche cost would ascend from $69.91 to 98 jabber 8 cents, which is plus 40%. Avalanche will begin 2031 at $69.91, then, at that point, take off to $74.40 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 20 gibber 1 at $78.86. It is about gibber 190% from today. Gibber 1st 2024. Gibber value ointment 2024 to 2025. Avalanche cost began in 2024 at 38 gibber 94 cents. Today, Avalanche exchanged at $29.73, so the cost papaya by 24 gibber from the very outset of the year. The determined Avalanche cost toward the finish of 2024 is $33.06 gibber and the year-to-year change 15%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus gibber ointment. In the main portion of 2025, the Avalanche cost will move to jabber $5.71. In the final part, the cost would add $10.71 and close the year at $46.42, which is plus 56% to the ongoing cost. Avalanche expectation 2026 to 20 gibber. These 5 years would bring an increment. Avalanche cost would move from $46.42 to 70 gibber 77 cents, which is up 52%. Avalanche will begin 2026 at $46 gibber 2 cents, then, at that point, take off to $56.86 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $67.09. That gibber plus 126 applesauce from today. Avalanche Gibber 2031 to 2035. In this period, the Avalanche cost would ascend from $70.77 to $99.29, which is Gibber 40%. Avalanche will begin 2031 at $70.77, then take off to $75.32 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at $79.84 Gibber. It is about plus 100 Gibber 9% from today. Gibber 15 2024. Avalanche value Gibber 2024 to 2025. Avalanche cost began in 2024 at Gibber $8.94. Today, Avalanche exchanged at 30 Gibber 34 cents, so the cost diminished by 22% from the start of the year. The estimated Avalanche cost toward the finish of 2024 is $36.51 and the year-to-year change 6 Gibber. The disappointment from today to year-end, Gibber 20%. In 2024, we hope to see $35.13 Gibber per one Avalanche. In the primary portion of 2025, the Avalanche cost will move to 39 Gibber 26 cents. In the last part, the cost would add $8.83 and close the year at $48.09, which is plus 58% to the ongoing cost. Avalanche Gibber 2026 to 2030. These 5 years would bring in Gibber Avalanche cost would move from $48.09 to $90.73, which is up 89%. Avalanche will begin 2026 at $48.09, then, at that point, take off to $54 Gibber 4 cents inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $57.83. That implies Gibber 91% from today. Gibber forecast 2031 to 2035. In this period, the Avalanche cost would ascend from $90.73 to $138 Gibber 62 cents, which is plus 53%. Avalanche will begin 20 Gibber 1 at $90.73, then, at that point, take off to $95.32 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $100.68. It is about Gibber 232% from today. Gibber 1st 2024. Avalanche value Gibber 2024 to 2025. Avalanche cost began in 2024 at Gibber $8.94. Today, Avalanche exchanged at $35.94, so the cost diminished by 8% from the very Gibber of the year. The Guaj Avalanche cost toward the finish of 2024 is $39.55 and the year-to-year change Gibber 2%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 10 Gibber. In 2024, we hope to see $38.05 per one Gibber. In the principal half of 2025, the Avalanche cost will move to $42.53 ointment in the final part. The cost would add 9 Gibber 57 cents and close the year at $52.